Hey team, just thought I'd create this quick video to show you how to clean up your course shell in the manage files area. So this is a picture of my homeroom, and our homeroom shells are actually pretty all over the place. And as you can see, if I look at the top level, so the main level of the course, you can see that over here it starts with content slash enforced, then has my name, the back end name of my homeroom. If you look at that level, this is all the files. So on the left hand side here, the left hand navigation menu, you can see all the different folders. And then in the main viewing area, you can see all those folders that are in that left-hand navigation bar, plus all the other files that are in this. And really, what we want this to look like in our CNI courses is that this is clean. This area is clean. It should only have folders in it, with the exception of two images, I believe. It's one of them is the banner image, and the other one I think is the CNI logo, which we won't worry about because that would take a lot of editing throughout the course. So what you can do here is that, what I noticed, these are all essentials. So I'll show you what I would do. I would actually create a new folder, and I'm going to call this essentials. And of course, with file management, there should, whenever you save files on a computer, they should never have spaces, or you don't have to worry about uppercase letters for this kind of thing. It's just for our English language eyes that we like to see uppercase letters. So, I'm going to move this. I'm going to move, let's just say, two files. So this activity academic, and then this one, I'm going to add these to this folder. So I'll take them out of this main folder here, and I'm going to add it to the essentials folder, which you can see is down here. So I'm just going to select those two boxes. I'm going to come up to the top and click cut. And then I'm going to navigate to that new folder, and then I'm going to click paste. Okay, so now these are pasted. Now, here's the problem. Now that I've moved that, there is code within each of these HTML pages. And you can tell they are HTML, they're the content pages because they have the HTML at the end. Because I moved them, there is code within that HTML page that needs to be changed. And it's to do with the style sheet. So if I go in here and say edit file, you will notice that when this pops up, there is no styles. It's just the headings and text. Okay, so what I need to do is click on source code. So normally you would see this here on the toolbar. Click source code, and then at the very top of the document on line 4, I believe it is, you can see this link here. Now what this is looking for, this link is looking for the style sheet. So you can see the style sheet at the end here. So what we need to do, the style sheet isn't actually in essentials. So when I move that file into the essentials folder, it changed this code, assuming that the style sheet moved with it. So this, you can see that it's inside the template folder. So if you look over on the left here, you can see that template folder over here. The style sheet is within that. So all I need to do is go into this and delete that folder and go back one. So that's just the name of my homeroom / template, which is that folder down there. And then the style sheet is in there. So once I save that, you will notice that the style comes back into that document. So I'm just going to click save, and then I'm going to do the same with the other one. You see, this would take a little while, but once you know what you're doing, it doesn't take long to clean up. So again, line 4, take out that, just press delete, press save, and the good way to check is that if you see that blue title bar at the top, the style sheet is kicked in again. So there you go. So then now those two files are there, and now when I come back here, it's now got 2 less HTML pages. You can see a lot of these need to be moved. With something like an image, so you may have images that you've uploaded, and they might be in this main folder. If they are part of your course, then so let's just say let's have a folder. you would have a folder here with the name of your block or the name of your main, which would be where all your content is. Inside of that, there should be an image folder like this one on the chart profile is just images. Let's just see. So essentially, so if this is the essentials block and content area, there should be a folder in here called images. And usually that's what you do. You put all the images in there. That's up to you. You can put your images inside your main folder if you like. I like to have all my folders built out so that they're nice and easy and I can refine the images later on. But if you're not too worried about that, just put all your images inside the main folder that you want to move those images to. Okay, happy to answer any questions. Hopefully that helps. Talk to you soon.